Now see this question. Calculate covariance. So here the distribution is given and we have to find covariance. So here we will use the last formula. Here if you find the product of these two, then we'll get a very large number. So what we can do, we can assume a number. We can this is same as we used to do in assumed mean method. Okay, so here first we'll make a table xi. So I have written all the values in the form of table. So now what we will do here, we'll assume a value. Okay, um, we'll try to take the middle value, right? So here I will take 40 as A and this 32 as B. You can also take this 31 as B. Okay, to make the question simple, we have to assume the value in such a way that the calculation, okay, we are going to reduce, or we are going to, you can take 40 or 43, any value you can take, and here also B, you can take any value out of this. Okay, so now I will get ui after subtracting 40 from each xi, and here vi, which is equals to yi minus 32. So now we'll subtract. So 35 minus 40 is minus 5, minus 6, 0, 3, 60, minus 20, minus 2. Similarly, vi again I am saying you can also take 31 as B, or you can also take 43 as A. So according to formula, now we have to find sum of ui, sum of vi, and sum of ui vi. So last column is product of ui and vi. So it's 0, 12, 0, 0. See here we are getting 3 zeros. So the calculation is way much easier now, right? 240, then minus 2. Now we have to find sum of ui, sum of vi, and sum of ui vi. To reduce the timing of the video or to make small video, I have paused it and then I have calculated the values. So these are the values. Now we have to use the formula. So formula is covariance between x and y is 1 by n, sum of ui vi. See, formula is simple. If you write it again and again, then you will find it looks very complicated, but it's very simple. Now we'll put all the values. So here n is 8, 1 by 8, sum of ui vi is 586, minus sum of ui minus 14 by 8 multiplied by vi is 7 by 8. Now we'll simplify. So again I'm going to pause because this simplification is very easy. First we'll multiply these two and then we'll subtract. Please correct it, the value of n is not 8, it's 7. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it's 7. So this is the answer. The covariance between x and y is 85.71. So we have used all the three formula. We have done 3 questions by using all the 3 formula. So whichever is easy. I think this one is very simplest way to solve or to find covariance, and easiest way. Okay, so now this is our answer. Now you practice these questions.